Hello friends, welcome to this video. So here also we are going to discuss another numerical problem which was asked in JEE Mains 2021. So let me read the question first and then we will analyze and solve it. So the question is a current through a wire depends on time. Okay, as this I is a current which depends on time as alpha t plus beta t square. So alpha and beta values have been given. So alpha is 20 ampere per second and beta is 8 amperes per second square. Find the charge which causes process through. Find the charge. Okay, this is what we have to calculate, that passes through a section of this wire in 15 seconds. So basically, we are given the value of current I, we have to calculate the charge. So what is the current? How is current related to charge? So current is related to charge as the rate of flow of charge is equal to current. Okay, so how much charge has flown in a given amount of time, how much charge has flown in a given amount of time, that gives us the value of current. So let us use this relation and calculate the amount of charge that passes through a section of this wire in 15 seconds. So let us solve this problem in the board here. Okay, sorry, let me clear all the annotations and then I'll be back here. Okay, so let us solve this problem on this board here. So we have to calculate the charge, okay, Q. And we are given the current. So we know that current is equal to charge over time. So why we are doing this? So we have to use this particular formula. So dq, what is dq in that case? Dq is equal to I dt. Okay. So here, if we, so how can we calculate q? Just q. Q is equal to integration of I dt. Okay. So Q is equal to, okay, so in 15 seconds, what would be the charge through the wire? Okay. So current value, so that can be calculated if we integrate I dt from 0 to 15 for time is equal to 0 to 15 seconds. So I dt. Okay. So 0 to 15 seconds. So I value is given to be again alpha t plus beta t square. Okay. So I is equal to alpha t plus beta t square dt. Now, if we can solve this integration, we can calculate the amount of charge, okay, the required amount of charge. So Q is equal to alpha, let us expand the terms, alpha integration of 0 to 15 t dt plus beta integration of 0 to 15 t square dt, okay, which is equal to alpha is a constant, beta is also a constant. So alpha then t square over 2 0 to 15, and here it would be beta t cube over 3 0 to 15. Okay, we have just broken this integration values. So let us do the further simplification. So alpha, it would be 15 square by 2 plus beta is equal to 15 cube divided by 3. If we can calculate this value, we can calculate alpha and beta. So alpha and beta are already given. So alpha is given to be 20 multiplied by 15 square by 2 plus beta is given to be 8. 8 multiplied by 15 cube by 3 Coulomb. Okay, the unit of charge is Coulomb. So now if we calculate this value, we can actually calculate the required amount of charge that flows through the conductor in time 15 seconds. Okay, so just simplify. So simplification would give you, so how much this simplification would give you? So 210, okay, 10 multiplied by 15 square is 225, plus here it would be 15 multiplied by 15 square. So it would be 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15 square would be left. So 15 square is 225 Coulomb. Okay. So 225 is, you can take common on both sides. So it would be 10 plus 540 Coulomb. Okay. So 225 multiplied by 10 plus 40 is equal to 50 Coulomb. Now you see this solution has become so simple. If you can just calculate the multiply 225 by 50, we can calculate the amount of charge. So it will give us 0 Coulomb 25. So the rest would be 25 2 and 11. Okay, so let me check again. 5 by 25, 2 will be remaining. So 2, okay, 25, 2, 5, 10. So okay, let me just calculate. So 5. Okay, 11, 25 and 1 0. So the answer would be 11,250 coulombs. Okay, so this is the amount of charge that we have to calculate. So 11,250 coulomb is the charge that would flow through the conductor in time 15 seconds. Okay, so very simple problem. So let us revisit the problem. So current is this charge that flows in a given amount of time. So charge is dq is equal to I dt. So just integrate this on both sides. So q is equal to maybe 0 to t I dt. T is given to be 15. So in place of t, just replace it by 15. So I dt, I value is already given in the question. I is alpha t plus beta t squared. So substitute the value. Expand the integration, do the integration, substitute the values of alpha, beta, and time. And once you substitute all the values, we can finally calculate the amount of charge which flows through the conductor in the given amount of time. So friends, I hope you have understood this solution and you have liked the video also. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will meet you in the next video.